Alright, so this podcast is going to go over the Lattice, which is a animation deformation tool that we can use with modeling. So what a Lattice does is actually draw a cage around your object, and for each point of that cage, it can influence any vertexes that are in close proximity to those points on the cage. So it'll make sense a little bit more once I pull up. So to get to the Lattice, all we need to do is go to Deform with our object selected, go down the Lattice, and as you can see, we get a cage around our object, and we have three options for it, which is pretty much the ability to turn up the divisions on each one of the sides. So the S, the T, and the U side, and we can just turn up those divisions. Alright, and to use a Lattice, all we need to do is right click on the cage, and we'll see the Lattice points, and we can actually go ahead and start grabbing points right here. And as we do, you'll notice that the object is actually stretching with the points. That's because it's actually influencing any vertexes that are next to it. So we can kind of get quick and organic changes to our object just by pulling some of these last points. So the one thing to remember, for it to work properly, we need to make sure that our object actually has the resolution or geometry on it that allows it to bend. If you put a 1x1 plane and use the Lattice on it, it won't move anything at all because there's not enough geometry there. And then the last thing is if you like how your object looks and want to get rid of the Lattice, all you have to do is select your object and then go to right here, Edit, Delete by Type, History, and that will get rid of the Lattice and solidify the changes to our object. Alright, so that is pretty much Lattice in a nutshell. Take care.